Do you still have green tomato on your plants which are not ripening? Fear not, we have 3 interesting preserving recipes, which none of them are the tomato green chutney. Salsa Verde. In the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Mint, parsley, chili pepper, nettle if you have it, raw garlic, lemon juice, vinegar, roast tomatoes. Blend it. Freeze it or eat within 2 weeks. This next recipe is great for your microbiome. First step, sterilize your jar. Tare your scale. Add your tomatoes. Add your water. Calculate the total weight of your water and tomatoes. Work out 2% of that weight. Add that much salt. Add your favorite spices and herbs to this mix. We've gone for fennel, rosemary and thyme. We need to ensure that vegetables are submerged. Leave at room temperature for about a week or 2. Shake daily so the mold doesn't form. Always label it. Slice your tomatoes. Dehydrate them in the oven or in the dehydrator. And here's your dried tomatoes, which you can keep up to a year or 2, and make sure you use a rubber stopper jar. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite way of preserving green tomatoes.